Hi everybody, it's me, Shelly. Welcome to my channel. What are we doing today? Well, who doesn't love goats? Come on. Those cute little fellas that just kick up their heels. Well, today we are going to a place called Haute Goat, and we're going to attend a goat smurgle. Now, for you, those of you not in the know on goat smurgles, apparently we're going to visit this farm. We're going to go for a walk with the goat through the fields, and then we get to snuggle with the goats. So that should be a lot of fun. We'll see. It could be just, one of those things where something that city folk do, but you know what? Hey, I just could not resist snuggling with some goats. So come on, it's what we're doing today. Haute Goat Farm is located just northwest of Port Hope, Ontario, and can be easily accessed from any major highway in the area. I'll put the link in the description below. The goats on the farm are Nigerian dwarf goats, and they are so cute. Haute Goat offers many farm experiences on their farm, including goat and alpaca yoga, alpaca walking, farm life workshops, as well as a disc golf course and the Haute Goat Smurgle, which is what we are doing today. The grounds are absolutely lovely, and the property is over 200 acres and boasts beautiful nature walking trails. So on with the Smurgle. The goats are rounded up in a pen, ready to go for a hike to the fields. We were taught a specific call to get the goats to come along, and you'll hear us calling throughout the video. Here, goaty, 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 goaty. Release the goats!
Don't stampede.
They know exactly where to go.
Once released, they head right out to the field. On our way, we pass the alpacas, but more on those later. Once in the fields, the goats enjoy feasting on whatever they can get a hold of. Apparently, they like the purple clover flowers.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah, they're the purple.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah. They might ignore you in the beginning, but just just hang on to them.
Got all kinds of gold ones here.
Hey, sweetie.
Want one in my hand?
Here you go.
Come here.
There you go.
Come on.
Yeah, they are around. Not as
Goody, goody, goody.
Come on! Goody, 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 goody! Oh. The goats really seem to enjoy the walk through the fields, and it's very beautiful. And the goats, they're hilarious.
Carolyn, let's go, buddies.
Come on, let's go! Goody, goody, goody!
Goody, goody, goody. Goody, goody, goody.
After a walk, we help herd the goats into a fenced play area. Did I mention goats can be a little stubborn? Oh. All ready for our smurgle. Can it get any better than this? Oh, yes. Release the baby goats.
So
Look at you guys. You cute. You cute. This guy just wanted to hang out with me, and I had so much fun taking selfies with him. He was so funny.
Okay, yeah.
I'm not sure if you can hear him chewing.
You get the big boy.
What's going on there, buddy?
That's Jimmy that you're petting. Yeah. We like.
You're waddling around.
Yeah. She's got a good waddle going.
What's happening? Hi.
We've had a group come.
There's challenges with that too.
Yeah. No, they're actually, you have to obviously keep an eye,
Yeah.
but in most parts they're also just, they sit down and then
This
the
is my
goats will
buddy.
come to them.
This is my buddy goat.
And it's,
There was a mare in a pen very close by, and she had a foal that was only 2 weeks old. So adorable. Before we knew it, our smurgle time was over, and the goats were taken back to the pens. Time for the goats to go. Here they go. Oh, go, and this guy here is standing right by me. It's like he's trying to say, save me.
no, don't go under.
Oh, going. Time for the goats to leave. Time for the goats to go back. Okay, this one's going to go too. Bye, guys.
Hi, Goody. Hi, Boomer. Guy. Nope, it's this way. Come on.
The animals here seem extremely healthy and happy, and it was so nice to interact with them. Visiting the farm is free, and their hours are Wednesday to Sunday, 10 till 4. If, however, you want to participate in the Smurgle or any other activities, there's a charge. Check out the website below. The grounds are lovely, and you're free to wander around as long as you want after your activity. The farm has a cafe featuring locally sourced lunches and snacks, and as well as a shop featuring goat cheeses, goat milk skincare products and soaps, as well as alpaca products and disc golf supplies. There are 5 different kinds of goat milk ice creams, and I tried the wine and dark chocolate one. It was delicious. A nice snack for a hot day. I spent a bit more time admiring the grounds and then was on my way. I truly enjoyed this activity. It was goat for my soul. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.